Hi guys, this is Sujata and you're watching GrammarENG, English grammar for ESL students. In today's class, we are going to discuss an idiom, skating on thin ice. Skating on thin ice, what does it mean? If you walk, tread or skate on thin ice, there's a good chance that you might fall through the ice and into the freezing cold water. Can you guess the meaning for the idiom skating on thin ice? Look at here. To be doing something that is dangerous or involves risk. Skating on thin ice means to be doing something that is dangerous or involves risk. If you are doing something dangerous or which involves risk, it means you are skating on thin ice. Skating on thin ice means to place oneself in a dangerous or delicate situation. By doing something wrong or unwanted things, you are placing yourself in a dangerous or delicate situation. So, skating on thin ice means to get into a difficult situation which may have serious or unpleasant consequences. If you are skating on a thin ice means you are in a difficult situation. Look at this example sentence. The thief is skating on thin ice by lying to the police. The thief is skating on thin ice by lying to the police. It means the thief is placing himself in a difficult situation by lying to the police. If you lie to the police, it leads a difficult situation or serious consequences. So, we have used the idiom skating on thin ice. Number 2, since I stopped studying on weekends, I have been walking on thin ice. Here, walking on thin ice means you are placing yourself in a difficult situation or serious consequences by stop studying on weekends. You stopped studying on weekends. By doing this, you placed yourself in a difficult situation. Hope you are clear about the meaning of the idiom skating on thin ice. Skating on thin ice means to be doing something that is dangerous or involves risk. If you find this video informative, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.